Hey, if you got our crown stop fence and you're having any issues with it fitting your DeWalt saw, watch this video, it's for you. So you might notice that with these stock fences that come on your saw, they don't actually fit square and flush to the saw. They're sitting at a little bit of a backward angle. Well, since we're making a new fence that's better, we try to fix that. And we made ours so they fit perfectly nice and square to your saw. However, to do that, we had to hit a very, very tight tolerance on this bottom part that slides into your saw. And it's come to our attention that some DeWalt saws have some variation in the tolerancing that they have on that bottom track. And so since we made these so tight, some customers, depending on your saw and just the tolerance of that track, when they go to install the new fence, are finding that it sticks one side or the other at a certain point. There's an easy solution to this. All you need to do, if you're having issues with the fence sticking, is take it out, and you're gonna take along this back side right here, just a little bit of sandpaper. You can even do it with just a hand sander on a block and just shave slightly off and test fit and repeat until it slides in nicely. And then your crown stop fence will be good to go. Thanks for watching.